Hello there, this is Fred and Cypher's channel. Welcome back. Today we have the Chaos Fury HUAYANGOSAURus. Okay guys, I'm gonna check the back. We haven't done any of these yet. I'm not probably gonna grab this because this is exactly from the Dino Trackers, Herrerasaurus. So now we're skipping that. But the Pyroraptor seems a little different, so we're gonna keep that and make a review of that. This is obviously a new species from Mattel, so yes, definitely we are. Okay, but first things first is we have the Dino Tracker Gigantspinosaurus right here. This one has a feature, moving the tail. Oh, wait a second. I guess that's pretty much it. There you go. You move the head, it swings the tail. Nice shoulder spike right there, big one. And 3 Thagomizers. And we have the epic evolution. Tuojiangosaurus. Yeah. Totally forgot about the name. So this one, you push it down, it swings the tail. I have a custom paint of this. Don't bring it. Here's the DNA scan. You guys go ahead and scan that. This one's right here. There you go. All right, now on to the new species. We're gonna open this up. It has the Tyrannosaurus symbol. Okay guys, this looks actually like an exaggerated Huayangosaurus right here. Spikes are really that big, but alright, let's open it up. So excited to this new species from Mattel. Super cool. No variants yet. Alright. This is nice. I think I need 2 more of these. Look at that, huh? I think it has a spike on its elbow right there. Nice battle damage right there. Looks like it has a broken spike. Also has a shoulder spike right here, just like the Miragaia and the Gigantspinosaurus. Same as the Kentrosaurus. Yes, look at that. That is a long gash right there, all the way on its tail. This is an awesome figure. I wish it they have straightened his legs, his front legs. Looks like it's just crouching. Excuse me. So yep. Tail's a little rubbery there. Nice. Oh, the DNA scan. There you go. Let's check his underbelly. No paint. Nice color. Hopefully in the next few years they'll make more Huayangosaurus variants. Nicely done. At least they painted the beak. Unlike the Tuojiangosaurus, it wasn't. Alright, what's the feature of this? Oh, there you go. You move the head up and down. No, it doesn't go left and right. No. Alright, guys. That's it for today. Our next video should be the Hammond Collection Young Triceratops. Okay guys, thank you so much. You guys have a good week now. And also don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And of course comment if you like. Thank you, thank you. You guys have a good week now. Very well.